One of the things that I've learned across the last 27 years of being an ABA practitioner is that the landscape of autism assessment and support is always evolving. So with the recent release of the National Framework for Assessing Children's Functional Strengths and Support Needs in Australia, we as ABA practitioners have this opportunity to approach goal setting for our clients more holistically. Now, one of the things that I love about this framework is that it enables us to provide services and set goals whilst incorporating a person-centered practice and a family-centered practice framework, as well as being culturally responsive and neurodiversity affirming. So during the workshop, we'll utilise case studies and group discussion to learn to organise client information according to the framework and develop individualised goals that promote participation in everyday life activities. So if you're an early career clinician that could benefit from learning a framework to assist you in organising all your client information to set goals, or if you're looking to broaden your skill set and plan your intervention support more holistically, I look forward to working with you at the ABAA workshop in July.